Best deals. Utensil has jointless single-piece construction that do not bend and are unbreakable. This kitchen utensil set are designed to last for long years of cooking. Size of every tool is crafted so perfectly that you always serve ideal amount, designed for cooking, flipping, stirring, and serving, perfect for a wide variety of dishes and cooking styles. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Spadle. Simple twist of Holy Spadle's handle quickly transforms it into a straining ladle, fantastic for fishing out peas or corn from any pot. 2. It's flexible and durable. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chopula. Multi-curved head design allows you to scrape every corner of any pan, without scratching non-stick cookware. Unique head shape lets you chop food in a hot pan while keeping your hand up and away from the heat. Keep benches or countertops clean and food hygienic. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bristle. 4 holes inside bristle's head control the release of liquid onto its bristles, making bristle perfect for drizzling oil, basting pan juices, and brushing egg wash. Bristles are heat resistant to 260 degrees Celsius, non-abrasive, and provide maximum liquid retention with artisanal precision. Flexes to scoop up to 1 tablespoon of liquid from hard-to-reach places. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Ladle. Includes both a slotted ladle and a plain shovel, versatile tools perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks such as stirring. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wooden ladle. Can be used for cooking curry, sorting vegetables. Ladles are made from single block of wood, doesn't have any cuts or joints. Soft edges ensures vessels are scratch-free. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Spoon. Colored icons let you know which side of your board to use for meat or vegetables, keeping surfaces hygienic and preventing cross-contamination. Dishwasher safe. Premium grade silicone is heat resistant to 260 degrees C, has chops grip to make any chopping board non-slip. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grilled chopula. Large flexible head easily slides under food for a clean lift or flip, making it perfect for burgers, fish, and steaks. Chopula's unique serrated cutting edge lets you slice sausages or steaks directly on the grill to check for doneness. Extra long 15 inches handle design keeps your hand away from heat, while the durable and rust-resistant stainless steel head is perfect for scraping the grill clean. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Oil separator. This stainless steel spoon is designed to separate oil and grease from soups, stews, and other liquid dishes. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Ladle. Twist the head of this versatile spoon to turn it into a ladle, so you can go straight from cooking to serve your delicious soups and stews. Can be used as a spoon for stirring and a ladle for measuring and serving. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Ladle. Perfect size for gravies, sauces, and table service. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Rice spoon. Made from high-quality silicone and beech wood for durability and long-lasting use. Effortlessly scoops rice and other foods without sticking. Comfortable beech wood handle for a secure grip. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Flip spoon. You can easily rest the lid on the edge of your pot. Clever design always rests the lid at the perfect angle so condensation and food splatter drips back into your pot. Designed to stay stuck to your pot lid so it's always there whenever you need it. High heat resistant materials are safe. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Utensils set. Each cooking utensil is made entirely of food-grade silicone, BPA-free and odorless. We know that this is a health issue that concerns you and your family, and it is also the most important concern for every consumer. So we strictly control the production and quality of these cooking utensils. Soft silicone outer layer will not scratch your pan. Spatula set is made of durable, food-grade safe materials, BPA-free. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Rice spoon. The product is made of stainless steel and corrosion resistant. Thickened stainless steel is used and the curved handle design makes the grip more comfortable. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Utensil set. Set contains a slotted spatula, spaghetti server, slotted spoon, solid spoon ladle and storage stand. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Brizzle. Unique scooping head feeds sauces and marinades onto the BBQ brush for maximum flavor distribution while grilling. Super durable silicone bristles make our BBQ sauce brush highly heat resistant to 260 degrees Celsius and non-abrasive while still providing superior liquid retention. Deep and flexible scooping head on the grill basting brush scrapes every last bit of sauce from your bowl, so no baste goes to waste. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Spatula. Made from high-quality plastic and silicone, our spatula is sturdy enough to withstand daily use in the kitchen without warping, cracking, or melting. Wide plastic fish spatula features a silicone wrapped for a comfortable grip. It won't scratch your nonstick pan or baking sheet. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Slotted spoon. Perfect for frying foods, like potato chips, French fries, fried chicken, and scooping up poached eggs, vegetables, noodles, pasta, wonton and more. It is designed to be your go-to kitchen tool for frying, cooking, straining, scooping and serving. It can even be used for cleaning vegetables and fruits. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Spoon. The ergonomic wooden handle of our cooking spoon provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control and reducing hand fatigue during long cooking sessions. Integrated tool rest prevents the head from touching the work surface when placed down. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Ladle. Made of food-grade silicone, free of BPA, even at high temperatures, there is no need to worry about melting or deforming, and the soft silicone head won't scratch the coating. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Pizza cutter. A sharp pizza cutting tool, suitable for pizza, pies, cheese, cakes, waffles, dough biscuits, lasagna, small sandwiches. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Glass stirring spoon. Crafted from high boron glass, the spoon withstands high temperatures, ensuring safe and long-lasting use for all your cooking needs. The deep sauce spoon with spout design guarantees precise pouring. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Coffee spoons. Simple titanium platted imitation grain ergonomic handle design, round and thick, crafted of high-quality stainless steel. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Pickle spoon. Created with the same blend of intelligent function and contemporary style. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Serving spoon. Perfect for both serving and cooking, making it a must-have for every kitchen adventure. Product link is given in the 25th link.